Did you know that some of the most delicious fruits could be the key to maintaining your youthful glow well into your 40s and beyond? It's true. The right fruits can work wonders for your skin and overall health. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 anti-aging fruits you absolutely should be eating daily if you're over 40. Get ready to nourish your body and reclaim your vitality. Welcome to Health Alert Remedies, where we empower you to lead a healthier life through simple and effective choices. Anti-aging is not just a buzzword. It's a lifestyle that makes a tangible difference as we age. The foods we consume play a crucial role in how our skin looks and feels. So let's dive into our list of these life-enhancing fruits, and you won't believe how easy it is to incorporate them into your daily routine. First up on our list is the incredible avocado. Did you know that avocados are packed with healthy fats that help keep your skin moisturized and supple? They are also rich in vitamins E and C, both of which are essential for fighting free radicals. Imagine waking up each day with plump, vibrant skin simply by indulging in this creamy fruit. I love adding avocados to my smoothies or enjoying them on whole grain toast. Delicious and nutritious. Next, let's talk about berries, specifically blueberries. Not only are these tiny fruits bursting with flavor, but they are also powerhouse antioxidants. A handful each day can improve brain function as well as skin elasticity. Do you want to look younger while boosting your memory? You might want to consider making blueberries your go-to snack. Now, hold on. I've got a surprising fact coming up in just a moment. What if I told you that one of the most underrated fruits could be a game changer for your skin? That fruit is prunes. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, prunes not only help with digestion, but also keep your skin looking fresh. A delightful addition to your morning routine, prunes can significantly improve skin texture over time. Speaking of delightful, let's not forget about the tropical treat, papaya. This vibrant fruit contains enzymes that promote skin healing and brighten your complexion. Plus, it's low in calories. Have you ever paired papaya with yogurt for breakfast? Trust me, it's a delicious way to start your day while taking care of your skin. Last, but certainly not least, we have pomegranates. These beautiful red gems are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and for boosting collagen production, which is essential for youthful skin. What if I said that enjoying just a handful of pomegranate seeds daily can have you celebrating your radiant, youthful glow? Now, before we wrap up, I want you to think about how easy it is to add these fruits into your daily regimen. Whether as snacks, part of a smoothie, or in your favorite breakfast dishes, they're accessible and simple to enjoy. Want to learn more about how to create balanced meals with these fruits? Stay tuned for future videos. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these insights valuable and can't wait for you to try these fabulous anti-aging fruits. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, comment below your favorite fruit and how you plan to incorporate it into your diet, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies, for more health tips and delicious recipes. Stay vibrant, and see you next time.